Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Kahoot. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and then search for kahoot.com, as you can see here on my search bar. Once you've done that, just go ahead and click sign up here at the upper part of my screen, or click login if you have an account. Okay, so here you can now choose your account type: teacher, student, personal, or professional. So I'm just gonna use a student. And then here you need to put your birth date and click continue. Then here you want to put your username. So here username has already been taken, please you try another one. So here Kahoot will give you suggestions, so I'm just gonna choose one and click continue. And then here you can already now create an account. You can go with continue with Google, with Microsoft, with Apple, or with Clever. Or you can now just go ahead and put your email and password. But for me, I'm just gonna continue with Google. Click my account or my email. And then now you can just go ahead and click continue and sign up. So let's just wait. And here you can now choose any subscription that you want, but if you don't want to subscribe, just go ahead and click continue for free. So for this account, you can have a create multiple choice, study Kahoots, and up to 10 participants per session. So let's just click continue for free. And that's it. I have created my account. So that's so easy, right? I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.